Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, happy Friday. Not too much price action here today and overnight. So Ethereum continues to grind down lower slowly but steadily. An important marker here for us is this descending trend line that Ethereum is moving with and against, pushing against it all the time, not being able to push through. Therefore, I would assume that a break above this trend line would have some bullish implications. So far, however, Ethereum hasn't managed to do it. And so far, from an Elliott Wave point of view, we haven't got any impulse, an impulsive structure, which would be a 5-wave move to the upside. We haven't got that yet to confirm that a low is in. I need to see from here an impulse on a smaller time frame to the upside, followed by a 3-wave pullback to indicate that a low is in. At the moment, we don't have that. And also the wave count, the sub-wave structure, would indicate to us that one more low is likely. Therefore, I expect one more low because we are below resistance. We are below the trend line. We haven't got enough evidence that the downtrend is over. And the wave count makes one more low likely, at least one more low, Ideal target here for me would be around the 1780 area and maybe touching that ascending trend line here that has been with Ethereum for many months. You can see that here in all these trend reversal areas, price reacted also to the trend line. And because the move down is corrective instead of being impulsive to the downside, I expect here an end of the correction in this yellow support region. If Ethereum needs to, it could max out this yellow box all the way down to around about $1,700 without invalidating our scenario and without forcing a change of wave count. At the moment, the idea is the move down is corrective. We should find a way to recover here to rally higher in a third wave later. And let's dive into the micro count. We are dealing here with a wave 2 correction as indicated, which should set us up for a third wave rally into the $2,500 region and beyond. But obviously the condition is that the $1,700 level is holding. Unfortunately, there is never an analysis without if. There is always a if-then condition attached to any technical analysis. The value of the analysis is not me telling you it will go up from here. The value is to understand where are the pivot points, where do probabilities shift, and what are these points where reward and risk are in a very favorable situation. In my opinion, that is the case here in this yellow box, because below that level here, below $1,700, probabilities shift towards a much deeper drop, even though it's not that much more deep. And we talked about the alternative wave count in previous videos, where I would say if we break below 1700, then this previous support region becomes relevant again. That is not bearish. It would just be a deeper correction in an overall bullish scenario. Now, the correction that's currently coming down, we are categorizing that as an ABC structure. A wave done, B wave done, and the C wave unfolding now. The C wave is this so-called ending diagonal structure, which is a very choppy structure, very sloppy chart. It means you have a lot of overlapping price action. It means we're dealing with 3-wave structures in the subwaves, ultimately making it all a very unpredictable move. Nevertheless, it's adhering quite nicely to our wave count. Still, though, you have to expect the unexpected, basically. You have to expect pullbacks where you normally wouldn't, and distortions and stronger retracements and so on. All of that, we are seeing that, but it's still manageable. It's just following currently our path that we've laid out. And we finally arrived, as it seems, in this 5th wave, circle wave 5, and within the 5th wave, we have an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Now, you know that B waves are very difficult to forecast already, so that's just one explanation why these ending diagonals are so difficult, because you have lots of B waves in them. If all the subwaves are 3-wave structures, then the B wave is in every one of these subwaves. So that's making it very difficult, but it's behaving at the moment. So if we say, okay, we're now in this 5th wave down, then the A wave probably happened. This was a 3-wave move, not an impulse. Then here, this could have been the B wave, reacted to the golden ratio, 1857, 61.8 retracement, and got rejected. However, I haven't got any evidence, not strong evidence, that the C wave has already started. It could have, but I need the confirmation with seeing a break below 1825. A break below that 1825 level would confirm for me the onset of the C wave going towards the 1780 level. But yeah, not much more to add, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a gold member, you get additional updates during the day, signal updates on Telegram and Discord. So you will always be kept up to date also in between videos for Bitcoin, Ethereum and many other altcoins. So maybe you check that out. But yeah, hope you liked the update. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.